Nike and LeBron James are going to be dropping another LeBron silhouette, and that's going to be the Nike LeBron 22, and this time it's going to be in collaboration with Monopoly. Now they do have a few colorways here that I am actually interested in. If we go ahead and scroll down, you're going to already see right there at the top, you're going to see the white right there with the Monopoly money, and then on the right side you have a dark version of it. Now that's more like a navy blue kind of vibe. Now we're gonna go ahead and scroll down. As you can see, you see a bunch of dollars on this lighter one, and it has like silver, which of course is like the game pieces are like silver. I do like the touch of the Monopoly dollars right there on the toe and on the side of the sneaker going through the Nike swoosh. Let's see if we can see a little bit more of this dark one. Now this dark one I like a lot better, although it doesn't have a lot of Monopoly like branding, at least from what I can see here. It's just a dark blue. You have this Nike swoosh that's like gold, and then of course you have Monopoly tag right there on the side. Now that one I like a lot better than the white one. As you can see, there's a lot more pictures here for this dark blue one. I'm really a huge fan of this dark blue one. You have that Monopoly branding right there on the inside and more gold stitching going throughout it in a very nice floral like pattern, possibly like the pattern that's used on the money. I'm not much of a board game player, but it looks nice and I can appreciate it. As you can see, you have Monopoly branding right there on the inside, and obviously on the LeBrons you're gonna get premium materials throughout it. Monopoly logo right there in the triangle. Now I'm actually a pretty huge fan of these right here. As I'm scrolling through it, you got the gold going throughout it, of course, because you want to be the golden player within Monopoly. And I think that Nike really hit on this one. And as you can see, they have a special box for it with this partnership. You have the Monopoly man right there. You have Monopoly on the top. LeBron James branding with his logo right there and his signature on the side of the box. Now moving on to the lighter color one, you can see that the soles actually have two different colors. You have the gum bottom on this one and a blue bottom on this one. And like I said earlier, they have a bunch of different Monopoly dollars going on throughout the toe. You see the red, blue, and then like the black color right there. A lot of light gray going throughout this. You got the green around the Nike swoosh with the silver to signify the game pieces, like I said earlier. And it's a very colorful sneaker in itself, so you're not going to be wearing this with a lot of outfits. It's just obviously going to be for hooping and, you know, saying you can flex with the Monopoly money. So you're going to scroll through. It's just very, very colorful. You got two different colors going on throughout the sole, the silver right there, and you can see the multicolor right there. I thought it was a gum bottom. It's just really an orange bottom, and the traction on this looks fantastic, which is expected with LeBrons. It's going to be some of the best traction because it is one of their most premium sneakers. And coming in at a retail price of $200 for both of these, you expect the very best. The lighter color will be dropping on November 15th, and it will be at a retail price of $200. And the dark version of these sneakers will be dropping on November 19th at a retail price of $200. Now, LeBrons are pretty expensive at $200 in my opinion, but I've been collecting since the LeBron 16 and have gotten it every single year leading up to now. But if I had one piece of advice, because I am a person that likes to save a lot of money, if you can do without having certain colorways and you can wait a whole season later when they start the new season for the NBA, I personally would recommend waiting until the next season and the next sneakers drop, because most of the time you can end up getting this way below retail. But I'm not going to steal the shine from this release. If you are interested in it and you really want this collab with Monopoly, I would highly recommend copying them on the respective dates. Anyways, guys, let me know what you think of these. Are you a huge Monopoly player, and will you be copying these to play Monopoly with your family? Anyways, guys, Joel2TV out.